can speed up or slow down a video. A video. Okay, so what we are going to do here is we are going to make a video faster. So when I am jumping, I say you can speed up. Speed up. A split clip. Or a split clip. So this is the part that I want to make faster. So I'm gonna come here and speed. This one. Speed now is normal, so I can do it fast. 2 times, 4 times, 8 times, 20 times. I'm gonna put it 4 times faster. Or slow down a video. So I'm gonna split it here, and this is the part that I want to slow down. So I'm gonna click here in the velocimeter, slow, and I'm gonna say 25% slower. A video. Okay, let me see. You can speed up or slow down a video.